Hey guys, recently I reviewed this FL14MB weapon light from Feyachi, and even though they provide a hook and loop strap to hold the switch and wire in place, Feyachi offers a much better solution. So what we have here is a pressure plate mounting system. Now it comes in a kit. There's no fancy packaging, it just comes in an envelope. But you get two different mounting options in this kit. This one here will mount directly to a Picatinny rail. And then this one here will mount to an M-LOK slot. Actually, it takes up, I believe, 3 M-LOK slots, where this one takes up at least 2. They provide 4 M-LOK screws and the necessary tool to install it. Now you only need 2 of the M-LOK screws for this mount. They give you a couple of extras, which is nice because I have stripped one of those screws out before. Okay, for installation on this, first I'll show you the Picatinny rail mount, just in case you have an old school quad rail or possibly your handguard doesn't have M-LOK slots. It's very simple. You'll see a groove right there. You feed the switch down through the top. Okay, and you want to pop the cord through that slot, that groove there, and then push it up from the bottom, and you have a nice mount there. Now to put it on your rail, you want to make sure that these little nubs that are along here line up with the slots in your Picatinny rail. So and you can feel it when it locks into place. And simply press it back down, and you do need to use some pressure because this does fit quite tight. There we go, it's snapped on, and that's, like I said, it's on there really tight, so it's not going to come off during use. And then you have easy access to your switch. I know you can't see the light because it's off camera, but it does work really well. All right, let's take a look at the M-LOK mount. So here we have the M-LOK mount. It's in 2 pieces that are snapped together. You separate the top from the bottom and pulling it apart. And that is in there quite tight. So you do need to work on separating it. And these are polymer. There we go. And you feed the switch in there basically the same way. Slip it down through the hole. Push your switch up through the slot. And then you have a slot right there for the cable of your switch to go through. And this one is a tight fit. Tighter than the other one. Okay, then snap it back into the bottom. There we go. Oop, it's not in there quite tight. There it goes. I just felt it snap into place. You may have heard that. And then, well, I guess I shouldn't have put the cable in there, because you have to put the M-LOK screw in first. So you basically, you mount this, take your M-LOK hardware, put it in here, mount it to your rail, and then put your cord back through that slot, and let me get that done. Okay, so I got it installed. It's a very clean look, much better than any kind of sticky backed hook and loop or double-sided tape. And then the switch is not recessed in there too far to where you can't access the switch. I can easily press these no problem. So if you guys are interested in picking one of these up, the link will be down below. Go over there and check it out. Dress up your rifle a little bit, make it look much cleaner. So that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.